Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel English Buddy. Myself Krishna Yadav. From starting the chapter, I should like that you will like my video and please subscribe my channel. Okay, today I shall start chapter 5, The Snake and the Mirror, from the book Beehive Class 9 English. The Snake and the Mirror. This story written by Waqar Muhammad Bashir. In short, you can say we am Bashir. And this is the very interesting story. You can say that it's my personal favorite of Beehive book, The Snake and the Mirror. It looks like some venomous creature looking toward the mirror, and how the whole story is created just like this. I will not describe the whole chapter. I will explain this chapter through this PPT, and you can grab the whole meaning through this. So just listen carefully, okay? A poor homeopathy doctor is the narrator of the story. The whole story is surrounding just a doctor, and he was very poor homeopathy doctor, not allopathy, not Ayurvedic, just homeopathy doctor. I hope that everyone, like your mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, sometime they have taken homeopathy's medicine, like small white balls, meaty, sweet medicines. Okay, he was poor homeopathy doctor. His condition was not good, lack of money. He was just living in a old house that was full of rats. बहुत पुराने घर में रहता था जिसमें बहुत सारे चूहे थे. He lived in a house where there was no electricity and was full of rats. Due to the lack of money, he has not enough money to pay the electricity bill, so there was no electricity in his house, and it was full of rats. बहुत सारे चूहे. On a summer night, he returned home late due to the summer season. That was summer season. So on the summer night, he returned home late. He come to home late, feeling suffocation. He opened windows due to the summer season. There was very suffocation, and for coming the fresh air, coming to fresh breeze in his room, so he just opened the windows of that room. Then he lit up a kerosene lamp and sat on a chair in front of a large mirror. You can see here, what is this? This is lamp, kerosene lamp. Nowadays we have inverter, but in my childhood days we had this kerosene lamp. We just put kerosene in it and then lit up. So this is the kerosene lamp. Then he lit up a kerosene lamp and sat on a chair in front of a large mirror and took out a medical book to study. That was a night time. He had taken his meal. After that, he just took in front of a mirror, large mirror, and he just took out a medical book to study because this was night time, and he used to sleep with the reading any book. So he took medical book to study. He could not concentrate as the weather was hot. But he could not concentrate on the book. He can't read the book properly because the weather was very hot and very suffocated everywhere. While looking at the mirror, he made two plans. While looking at the mirror, suddenly he just put down his book and then look into mirror. And while looking into mirror, he thought some plans in his mind. So he last in the conclusion, he just thought two plans. To look more handsome, he will shave daily. First plan was because he was unmarried and he wanted to look more handsome. So he decided that he will shave daily, and he would keep a smile on his face, and he always wearing a smile on his face so he can look more handsome, more smart. And second, what was the second plan? He plans to marry a fat lady doctor with plenty of money. That was very interesting plan, na? Okay, his second plan was to marry a fat lady doctor. First, in this line, you will get two conclusions. First, he wanted a woman as his wife, but he wanted that she should be a doctor because he was a doctor. So he also planned that his wife would be a doctor, and she also be a fat lady. Fat, why fat? Because in this case, if we had any fight, if we had any arguments, so he will run away and she couldn't chase him because she can't be run because she was very fat. So this is the pros and cons to marry with a fat lady, fat wife. So He plans to marry a fat lady doctor with plenty of money, and rather than he also wants the dowry. Dowry means dahej in lot of his marriage. So first was to look handsome. He shave daily and look a smile and wear a smile. And second, he wants to marry with a fat lady doctor with plenty of money. Suddenly, there was a sound of thud, and the rats stopped making noises. Where are the rats? Rats were in the gable. Gable means upper part of a wall below a sloping roof. Whenever you enter in a house and the upper part of the door, there is a triangle shape. In your book, page number 56, where the chapter is starting, you can see the gable picture upper down your page, that there is a triangle shape and upper your door but below the roof. There is a part where the rats were living, and in the gable there were rats always making noises. So he was habitual to listen these voices, but suddenly there was a sound of thud. बहुत तेज एक बिजली कड़कने की आवाज आई, and the rats stopped making noises, and all the rats were silent. The doctor turned back to see what had happened. Suddenly, doctor noticed that the noises has stopped. He just wanted to know, just turned back, that what was happening. He found a snake landed on his shoulder. Just as he turned back, and within a second, the snake fall down on the floor. He just slipped away from the chair and then landed on his shoulder. The doctor was very threatened. He was full of terror. Before he could do anything, a venomous creature had coiled itself around his left arm. Before he could anything, उससे पहले कि डॉक्टर कुछ करता, he can do anything. The venomous creature, venomous means full of venom, जहर से भरा हुआ जहरीला creature, had coiled means to make a round. It means जब आपके आम के चारों तरफ ऐसे घूम के coil बना लेते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं coil. The venomous creature had coiled itself around his left arm. वो उसके शोल्डर से लैंड करते हुए उसको जो लेफ्ट आर्म है उस पर कॉइल बना के बैठ जाता है. The doctor tried his best to hold his breath and become like stone, as he knew even a slight movement may kill him. डॉक्टर है वो बहुत ट्राई करता है कि मैं अपनी ब्रीथ को होल्ड कर सकूं और जस्ट लाइक एज अ स्टोन अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकूं और इतनी सी भी मूवमेंट ना करूं कि कहीं वो सांप मुझे मार ना दे. सो ही did not want to give any chance to the snake because he was just 3 inch far from him. ज़्यादा दूरी नहीं थी, only 3 inch. If he sudden movement, then the snake bit him. The doctor was praying for the Almighty's blessings to get rid of the situation. The doctor, the poor homeopathic doctor, now chanting the mantras and trying to save himself from that snake. And he was praying for the Almighty's blessings, and he was just praying that the please God save me to get rid of means छुटकारा पाना, किसी चीज़ से पीछा छुड़ाना. It appeared to him that his left arm was getting crushed under the pressure of the venomous snake, and as the snake was coiling around his left arm, so the situation was very crushing, like his arm will be crushed in the coil of the snake. His mental and physical strength was drained off. When the snake just near of him and he was coiling around his left arm, his mental and physical strength was drained off, was just fall down. He was feeling very weak that he can't do anything. He labeled himself as a stupid fellow and smiled himself. Now he was thinking in his mind that he was very motionless, he was very weak, he don't have any support and he can't save from himself. While sitting breathless like a stone and thinking of his own consequences, the doctor saw suddenly the snake turned its hood towards the mirror. Now when he was thinking about his situation, about his restless situation, suddenly he saw that the snake turned its hood. Hood means the upper part of the snake, where the sounds come from. So this is the hood. So the snake turned his hood towards a mirror. Then it uncoiled itself from the doctor's arm and crept on the table. And now the snake's whole attention now towards to the mirror, not to the homeopathy doctor. So he just coiled off to the left arm of the doctor and crept means होता है रेंगते हुए, and this is the second form of creep. So he just started to crept and just sit near the mirror. It moved towards the mirror and he just sat near the mirror. As the snake uncoiled itself from the doctor's left arm. Now the snake uncoiled itself. उसने अपने आप को जो डॉक्टर की लेफ्ट आर्म है उससे uncoil किया and slowly moved towards a mirror and now crept towards the mirror. He felt it's the perfect time to escape. Now the homeopathy doctors thought that this is the perfect time to escape, to run away from that place. He came out of the room and vanished into the darkness of the night. He just ran out of his room and disappeared into the darkness of the summer night. He did not stop running until he reached a friend's house, and till then he reached his friend's house. He did not stop running. He just ran away as fast as he could. Reaching there, he had a bath, applied oil all over the body, and was dressed up in a fresh cloth. Reaching there, he had a bath. For relaxing himself, he had a bath and oiled his all body and dressed up with a fresh cloth. On the next morning, he came back to the house to collect his belongings and to leave the house forever. Now, on that night, he had decided that he will leave that particular house and just move towards into a new house. So, on the next morning, he comes to his old house and try to get his belongings means होता है आपसे related जो भी things होंगी, the things related to you, like your accessories, like your clothes, like your things, anything else. So he wants to collect his belongings and leave the house forever. He found the thieves had stolen everything except his dirty vest. But what did he found? Yes, he found that all his things has theft from the thieves, and there is nothing in the house. Only the one thing was there is the dirty vest. Vest means, yes, you can see in the picture, this is called vest. Okay, so this is the only thing was there. Rest of this, all the things has been theft by the thieves, because that night the hole was empty. So the thief has a golden opportunity to steal the whole things. They stole everything and run away. The doctor told his friends that it is true that he was severely frightened when the snake fell on him, and it was an impromptu incident. The now doctor who came with his friends, now when he got that there is nothing in his house, he said his friends that he was severely frightened. Due to the presence of snake, he was completely frightened, and when the snake fell on him and when the snake comes to him, it was an impromptu incident. It was very irregular incident. It was a very you can say that abstruse incident. What was the thief did was no doubt an insult to him, but the dirty vest, because the thief left only this dirty vest, so thief wants to insult him. Okay, he wants to say him that please be clean and please save your things and clean your things. The thief has taken away all his belongings, his dhoti, coat, etc., and left his dirty vest for him. The thief has taken all the things, his belongings, his dhoti, coat, but he did not take dirty vest with him. It seems that the thieves proved him to be an unclean and untidy fellow. Why did he leave the dirty vest? Because the thief wanted to show that please be clean and be tidy, and for the doctor it was too hard to digest, and it was a literally insult of that homeopathy doctor. So this is the chapter. In this chapter we can say that if we have any problem, if we just found ourselves in a very difficult situation, we have to face that problem. Okay, and if we are untidy in our life, if we are unclean in life, then we will pay the result of it. Okay, so just be clean, be tidy, and don't watches any daydreams. Just try to complete the dreams, so you can really become a very successful person. This is today's online class. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can message me or you can text me personally. This is the chapter 5. Next we will do the poem 5, and later on we will put our next book Moments. Okay, and we will continue the chapter The Lost Child. So have a nice day, take care,